say.
What's up, guys? So I think I have a game plan on what I'm going to do with this flooring. I've already taken the liberty of doing some measurements and cutting it down to length. Be honest with you, I'm a little nervous. This will be the second attempt on the flooring, and I don't want to have to do a third attempt. So let's get started. So I took some time to find the original seat holes. So this seat, let's see if we can. I took the time to find the original seat base holes. So I located these three here, here, and here, and then just placed this over it, lined it up like so, and then I pretty much knew to just screw in right there, and that's those other three, and then same thing on this side. So I've located all 12 of the original seat holes, so now when I put these side pieces on, I'll line up the holes that are in the SeaDek and the rest will just line up. That way I'm not penetrating the floor any more than it was before. So here we go. I trimmed it, but I think I'm going to leave it like this because I feel safer leaving it like this than I do trying to trim it like perfectly. So tell me what you guys think. Drop a comment down below. I like it. What do you guys think? So I'll just leave it high up on the wall and just ride it back. Now this is why I don't want to trim it perfect, because it's not perfect. But I think what I'm going to do to cover up that kind of edge is I'm going to get a piece of what do you call it? It's like ABS trim that you would use in like your house or something, and I'll scuff it up and paint it black and mount it just from like up there to back there. And I'm going to do the same thing along this whole back row all the way over, and then I'll go back up to the same point, and that'll cover up any irregularities, and I think it'll look pretty good. So anyway, I'm going to get to the other side. Well, I guess there's no time like the present. If I'm going to screw up, this is where I'm going to screw up. So sit back and enjoy. We'll do it together. I think that'll do it with the trim piece I was talking about earlier. It'll look great. When I do that, which will be, won't be this coming weekend, I'm going to be in Oregon, and hopefully you guys tune in for our trip to the coast. My wife loves the coast, so we're going back to the coast. I think we're leaving April 5th, and I'll be back April 12th. So this weekend I'll be not working on the boat, and next weekend I'm not working on the boat, or maybe I'm leaving Monday, so I will have next weekend. I don't know. We'll just have to see, and you guys will have to keep checking in next weekend to see if I did a video on the boat. Maybe I can get them trim pieces made next weekend. That would be awesome. All right. Now I'm going to work on cutting out the center hatch, and I'll put the center hatch in and give you guys like an overall of what it looks like. So guys, that'll do it for this video. I know every time I post a video I say I have dinner plans, and it's true. My in-laws live right next door to us, so every Sunday we get together as a family and have Sunday dinner. So something that I really look forward to, and my in-laws are great, so I don't even mind that they're right next door. Anyway, Sunday dinner, floor's done. If you guys enjoyed this video, click that like button. Even if you didn't, click the dislike button. If you haven't been here before, get down there, click subscribe. I enjoy making videos for you guys, and I'm gonna keep going. So if you enjoyed it or you have any questions or comments, leave me a comment down below. And until next time, guys, peace, and I'm out.